Guess where we are right now? Fox 5. Check the wall out. Look at this whole thing. We're down. That's Charlie, does all our produce. Angel got everything set. Matt right there from Farmland Produce. You know what? 70 local farmers.
Yep, all over New Jersey.
And his girlfriend I just met today. What's her name?
Cassidy.
Okay, guys. So anyway, we got all them down. We're at Fox and 5 this morning. I got my daughter Ryan right over. Come on over, honey.
Yeah.
My daughter Ryan, and guess what? I'm gonna be happy with. Show him that bump. Okay, I'm ready to be a grandfather again for the 4th time in December right there, which would be nice. But anyway, I'm here with one of our great chefs at Stu Leonard's, Chris Papp. His father's been there 35 years. He's been there a while and grew up at the store. And you made something special for us today since it's pumpkin season. Tell us about what you have.
Sure, well, we have Stu Leonard's Harvest Turkey Pumpkin Chili. All right. It's really quick and simple. Takes 35 minutes to make. All right. It's a truly dump and stir recipe. It's got all of our favorites: our onion, garlic, plenty of garlic, right?
I love garlic.
Stu Leonard's naked turkey ground. All right. Bell peppers, fresh roasted pumpkin puree, and sweet potato.
It is so good. I just took a little nibble here of this. That's a clean spoon right there. I think a little bit of turkey helps it. You wouldn't know you're eating. It's just like you made a turkey chili with some pumpkin in it.
Exactly. It's
Really
rich.
good.
It's got a little earthiness to it, and the pumpkin brings a nice complexity with some sweetness there.
And by the way, turkey chili is my favorite meal to make. I love it. Maybe grilled salmon's number 2. But, this I could easily replace. I'm going to do that this fall. I'm just going to take a little chicken chili and put some pumpkin in it and make it chunky. You have chunks of pumpkin in it.
Plenty. It's very hearty.
Here, take a look at this. Look at that. See, it's chunky. It's got some beans in there. It is really, really good. Okay. By the way, that's a clean spoon. I have 2 more here too.